This is a brand new 2014 Toyota FJ Cruiser. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 4.0-liter V6, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a locking rear differential, skid plates, traction control and stability control systems, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a CD player, front multi-stage airbags, external temperature display, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Don McGill Toyota of Houston is located at 11800 the Katy Freeway, Interstate 10 in Houston. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.